Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to the very first video, which I have planned as sort of an intro video of kind of who I am, kind of what I envision for this channel. A little bit about me. My name is Madi. I live in Chicago. I was raised here. I wasn't born here, but I was raised here for sure. It's the only thing I know. I've been crocheting for about 12 years on and off. Do a little bit of knitting, some beadwork as well. All things kind of craft. I love it. The kind of main reason I wanted to make this channel was to talk all things crochet. I'm really like this approach on, you know, this new style of crochet YouTube channel. I really like channels like Anna Callahan, Kopi Callie, these kind of Gen Z millennial type I really don't know how to explain it, like crochet channels. If you watch them, you definitely understand what I'm trying to say. And you know, it's not just gonna be patterns on my channel. I have a few things planned, so it's mostly just a new take on these kind of crochet channels, and I'm really excited to show you what I have planned. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like the next video. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you.